Boulevard. I'm Joyce Nanalapitan. I'm from PCTL Extension, Parañaque branch. And first of all, I would like to thank God for giving me this talent and this voice to sing. Secondly, I would like to thank my parents for supporting me and enrolling me in this. It has really been my passion to sing. And I would like to thank my friend, my very supporting friend who came here at my church place over there. I hope you're enjoying the show. And lastly, I would like to thank, of course, my coach for being there and teaching us everything that we have known ever since we entered this program. Okay, my next song is about loving not just by your heart, but also by your mind and by looking. I believe that in love, it is not just the heart that should work. It should also be the brain and the eyes. Okay, this song is for all the good girls out there.